Imagine waking up one day to discover that digital systems are no longer waiting for instructions, but are independently setting goals, making decisions, and taking action on your behalf. That future is already unfolding through the rise of autonomous AI agents. Unlike traditional AI tools that respond only when prompted, modern AI agents are designed to observe their environment, plan multi-step strategies, evaluate outcomes, and adapt in real time without continuous human input. These agents can book meetings, manage finances, monitor cybersecurity threats, run marketing campaigns, write and deploy code, negotiate prices, and even coordinate other AI systems. They function more like digital employees than simple software. In businesses across the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, AI agents are already optimizing supply chains, adjusting ad spending minute by minute, analyzing customer behavior, and resolving support tickets autonomously. They deliver speed and scale no human team could match. At their core, these systems combine large language models, reinforcement learning, memory, and tool access. This allows them to break down complex objectives into smaller tasks, choose the best tools, execute actions, and learn from success or failure. In healthcare, autonomous agents can monitor patient data continuously, flag early warning signs, and coordinate care pathways. In finance, they detect fraud patterns, rebalance portfolios, and respond instantly to market changes. In software development, AI agents now write, test, debug, and deploy applications with minimal supervision, dramatically reducing development cycles. But as these systems grow more capable, they also introduce serious risks, including runaway decision loops, unintended consequences, security vulnerabilities, and ethical concerns around accountability. Who is responsible when an AI agent makes a costly mistake, or when autonomous systems act in ways their creators didn't anticipate? Governments and organizations are racing to build guardrails, transparency frameworks, and human-in-the-loop controls to ensure safety while still benefiting from automation. Over the next 5 years, AI agents will evolve into coordinated networks, teams of specialized agents collaborating, negotiating, and self-improving. They will reshape how work gets done and redefine productivity itself. The biggest shift will not be job replacement, but role transformation as humans move into oversight, strategy, creativity, and ethical decision-making, while AI agents handle execution at machine speed. This marks the beginning of a new era where software doesn't just assist humans, it acts independently, continuously, and intelligently. The real question now isn't whether autonomous AI agents will become part of everyday life, but how wisely we choose to deploy, regulate, and coexist with systems that can think, plan, and act on their own.